Okay, boys and girls, let's go over your math from yesterday. I'm going to blow it up a little bigger, so hopefully you'll be able to see it. Alright, so we are adding two-digit numbers where the number in the ones place sometimes is greater than 10. And the way we're solving it right now is by breaking apart our tens and our ones into a place value fact or expanded form. Alright, so let's look at what you did yesterday. Let's check your work. So 18, if we divide it into expanded form, is 10 plus 8. Plus 21. 21 is 20 plus 1. Right, and now we can add our tens and our ones. So our ones place, 8 plus 1 equals 9. This time it is not greater than 10. And then we have 10 plus 20 is 30. So 30 plus 9 is 39. So check your answer. You should have 39. Now number 2, 33 plus 49. 33 is 30 plus 3. And then you had 49. When we break it apart, we have 40 plus 9. Right, we add our ones. 3 plus 9 is 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we have our tens column. 30 plus 40 is 70. Now you see this number is greater than 10, so I have to bring it over here and break this down again. So right now I have 70 plus 12. I can break that 12 down into another expanded form. 12 is 10 plus 2. So now 70 plus 10 is 80. 80 plus 2. What is 80 plus 2? 82. 82 is the answer. All right. Thumbs up if you were able to get that. All right. We're going to keep practicing different ways to work these problems, okay? This may not be the best strategy for you. We're going to try some different ways. Or number 3, Christopher has 28 baseball cards. Justin has 18 baseball cards. How many baseball cards do they have together? All right, first thing, what is it asking us? How many do they have together? So we're going to add. What's our two numbers? Christopher has 28. Justin has 18. So we have 28 plus 18. All right, we're working on place value. So 28 is 20 plus 8. 18 is 10 plus 8. What is 8 plus 8? That's a doubles factor, and it's big. 16. What is 20 plus 10? 30. So I'm going to have to break that down again. 30 plus 16. All right, 16 is 10 plus 6. So what's 30 plus 10? 40. So we have 40 plus 6 equals 46. Our answer is 46. 46. All right, when you're ready, you can flip the page and let's look at your review. It says, what is the sum? What is the sum? All right, this is one like we worked on before. All right, our answer is not greater than 10, so we can do this one without having to do the expanded form. So we can make our chart. With our 10s and our 1s. 7 plus 2 equals 7, 8, 9. And then to our 10s. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Our answer is 39. Now you see on this side, 7 plus 5 is more than 10. We don't know how to do that yet. I haven't taught you how. So we're going to have to do expanded form. So 10 plus 7 for expanded. 35. 30 plus 5. Now 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10 plus 30 is 40. All right, now we can break this down. 12 is 10 plus 2. So what's 40 plus 10? 50. So 50 plus 2 equals 52. 52. Okay. Number 3. What is the value of the underlined digit? All right, this digit is underlined. It's in the ones place. What is the value of that 5? 5 ones. So what's the value? 5. It is worth 5. What number has the same value as 12 tens? So we count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120. 12 tens equals 120. Allie has 7 connecting cubes. Greg has 4 connecting cubes. How many connecting cubes do they have? All right, what's our keywords? Do they have? What are we going to do? Add. What's 7 plus 4, guys? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cubes. Number 6. Juan painted a picture of a tree. First, he painted 15 leaves. Then, he painted 23 more leaves. How many leaves did he paint? All right, what is our keyword? How many? That's right, that means how many in all. All right, so first he painted 15, and then he painted 23 more. So we're going to add. This is a 2-digit problem, so you needed to set it up vertical, up and down. 10's in the 10's column, 1's in the 1's column. So 15 plus 23, my plus sign. Then we can add. The plus sign looks kind of funny. All right, always start in the 1's column. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 1 plus 2 equals 3. My answer is 38. 38 leaves. 38 leaves. All right, check your work. All right, guys. When you're ready, you can turn the page. All right, your page should look like mine. All right. Today we're going to model regrouping for addition. So your essential question, when do you regroup in addition? We're going to learn what it means to regroup. So what does it mean to regroup? What is that? And what does it mean? All right, we're going to listen and draw. Listen and draw. All right, I'm going to give you a problem, and then we're going to work it on our paper. Brandon has 24 books. His friend Mario has 8 books. How many books do they have? Listen again. Brandon has 24 books. His friend Mario has 8 books. How many books do they have? All right, the first thing. All right, how should I show Brandon what Brandon has? All right, he has 24. So how could Miss Spire show 24 for Brandon? All right, 2 10s and 4 1s. So I'm going to drag mine over. Mine are very long. See if I can make mine a little shorter. There they go. They're a little bit smaller. Alright, so 2 10s for Brandon, and how many 1s in 24? 4 1s. So help me count. 1, 2, 3, You're just watching. All right, so Brandon has 24. Now, his friend Mario has 8 books. How do I show 8? I need 8 ones. So help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now my question says, how many books do they have? That means all together. All right, so if I look at my problem, all together they have 2 10s, and let's count how many ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So altogether they have 2 10s and 12 ones, right? Now, there's a problem with that. Can I have 12 ones? I'm not going to be able to do that, no. All right, how can I move ones blocks on the tens frame to show 12 ones as a 10 and some ones? All right, I need to move some of these up, make a whole group of 10, and then the ones left over, right? All right, so these are his ones. Now let's move some of Mario's because we're adding them together and fill up this whole tens block. So now, I still have 12 ones, right? 12 is a group of 10 and 2 ones, am I right? That's right. All right, now, so if I look at it, I could actually trade this group, these 10 ones, and make a group of what? A group of 10. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take all of these and trade them for one of these. I'm going to get him. I'm going to get him the right size. There we go. I'm going to take these 10 and put them here. So you see I'm just trading 10 ones for a group of 10. And my answer is still the same. So now my answer is 3 10s and 2 ones. What's my answer? 32. 10, 20, 30, 32. 32. All right. Now, that is called regrouping. When I moved my group, my whole group of 10 ones and traded it for a group of 10, that is called regrouping. What do you call it? Yes, regrouping. It means to group it again. So if you have 10 ones, we need to group it again as a group of 10. Need to group it again as a group of 10 and make it nice and neat. All right, turn the page. All right, this is going to show us how to regroup or make a group of 10. All right, it says add the numbers 37 and 25 them up? Yes, circle it. All right, if you can make a 10, regroup. All right, so they moved the 3 up, 1, 2, 3, and got rid of them down here. They're going to move them over. So they're taking them and putting them together and making that group of 10. Do you see that? It says trade 10 ones for one group of 10 to regroup. So they're hooking them all together, making a group of 10. Now, write how many 10s and 1s and write the sum. All right, so now let's look. How many 10s are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s. Plus 2 1s. What would our answer be, guys? 62. It says share and show. Let's share and show. Draw to show the regrouping. Write how many 1s, 10s and 1s are in the sum. Write the sum. Remember, your sum is your answer. All right, add 47 and 15. 4 10s, 7 1s, 15, 1 10, 5 1s. All right, boys and girls, let's look at it. Do we have enough to regroup? Yes, we do. How many do we need to move up? 3. So put 3 blocks in. You can put 3 little squares. Mine is only big enough for me to put a dot in. All right, if we move them here, we need to get rid of those 3 blocks here because we moved them up. So I'm marking them out down there. I moved them up. I can't count them down at the bottom anymore. Now, this is going to move over because now we have 10. It's going to move over as a group of 10. So I drew a line with my rectangle. Okay. So this is my extra rectangle. These are inside of here now. Let's count how many 10s we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, your 1s. Now remember, we can't count those. We've already used these now. Can't count those. That's a group of 10. All we have left is 1, 2. So what's our answer? 62. We got the answer 62 again. Number 2. Add 48 and 8. So 48 is 4 tens and 8 ones, 8 0 tens and 8 ones. All right, boys and girls, can we move some of these up and make another group of 10? Yes, we can. How many more do we need? 2. So fill in those last 2 blocks and mark 2 out. All right, this whole set of ones is going over as a group of 10s. I'm going to put them down here so we don't get confused. Here's my big group of 10. And I'm going to X this out so you know we can't use it anymore. It's a group of 10. Over here. Alright. Let's count how many groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 tens and 6 ones is 56. Add 26 and 38. 2 tens, 6 ones, 38, 3 tens, 8 ones. All right, can we move some up to make a group of 10? We could, but I think it would be easier to move 2 down this time. So let's move 2 down. Let's go for the easier way. Let's move 2 down. Move as a group of 10 next door. Right here. And let's count what we have. Number of 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number of ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 tens and 4 ones is 64. Practice. I'm going to work on this first one with you, and then I'm going to let you do some practice today, and then we're going to check it tomorrow. All right, add 79 and 6. 79 is 7 tens, 9 ones. 6 is 0 tens and 6 ones. All right. Can we make a group of 10? Yes, we can. Let's take one and move it up. Get rid of that one. All right, I can move it in. Now we can count up how many tens and ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And how many ones, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 tens, 5 ones is 85. All right, I want you to practice 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We'll do number 10 together, so only practice the problems like we've practiced in class today. We will go over those tomorrow during our lesson. Don't forget to do your skip counting lesson as well. All right, do your best today.